Good afternoon, all of you, for today's session. Myself, Anand Swami, mechanical engineer, having a total 22 years of experience in the automation industry, running Infinity Technology from last 10 years. We are specialized in all type of SPMs, automation and robotics. We deal almost 600 plus machine last 10 years in food, pharma and automotive industries. This is brief about myself. Basically, we are in a age of technology where robot is a part of our day-to-day life. So, what is the robotics? Robotics basically is automatically operated machine which replace human efforts. Though it may not resemble human beings in appearance, but it performs like humans. All operations.
Hello.
So today's topic I have taken a list of agenda. So what is the robots and types of robots? And why the need and purpose comes to in our manufacturing industry and logistic industry, healthcare industry, the robotics need is there. Where is the application areas where we are using this robot for improve our productivity and improve our productions and precise of the applications and upcoming trends in robotics. So these are the topics we are conducting today. These are types of robots. These are articulated robots. These are 6-axis robot. These robots majorly applications in the industry for welding lines, assembly line, material handling equipments. You can see in major industry, automotive industry, Tata Motors, Mahindra's, big automotive, there is a line of chassis building. You can see this kind of articulated robots, which take care of the production, which are the replace human operations, welding operations, spot welding operations by these robots. And we increase the productivity also. And these robots are continuously working with the high speed precisely. There is no any fatigues or no any breakdowns or no any delays in the process. So the articulated robots are the upcoming replacement of production line completely. So next is the SCARA robot. These are the 4-axis robot. There is a small applications, small application with the low payload capacity, with the radius of reach 1 meter around the areas is there. So these kind of SCARA robot are used in the industry. These are robots are very efficient for high speed applications with pick and place applications, glue dispensing applications, then some deflashing operation of the small plastic components. We done many applications with these SCARA robots for deflashing operation and glue dispensing. This is a cost effective also. Now the third robot version is the cobots. Cobots are collaborative robots. Robots capable of learning multiple tasks. And these robots bring good features also. This robot having the feature, it can be operated simultaneously with the operators. In a production line, assembly line, you can place operator and this cobot simultaneously. It's having a safety features also. Safety features of that, if any obstruction of human intervention is there, it stop and no any accident is happening. So cobot is now preferred in the industry. So where is the need to operate a human also and the robot also? So cobots are there and these are upcoming trend in the market. The people are developing cobots. Many industry are developing cobots and they are launching in India's market. So definitely in future we can see in side of our production line you can see the robot which are operating is all cobots. Now the most advanced model in the market is AGVs, automated guided vehicles. Now you can see in any big logistic department or stores where the people are challenges to find out the material and store in the racks and then retract the material and huge stores are there just like Amazon. If you see in Amazon, you deliver order any material, you can get the material within a 2 days or 24 hours due to these AGVs only. These are smart AGVs with the automated tracking mechanism, automated retrieval system, automatic charging system. So these are the AGVs in the market, which is very efficiently used in all logistic areas. These are upcoming solution for logistic areas. These are the Delta robots. Delta robots consist of three arms with the servo system, which is a basically used in the pick and place kind of system in food and pharma industry. These robots are high speed functionality. It can be with the camera integrations. With camera, provide a coordinates. With that coordinate, this Delta robot will pick up the material and place inside the bins, racks, or pallets. So that is the functionality of this Delta robots. So these are the robots, and now why the robots are needed? Definitely to improve the supply chain, then manage shop floor complexity, data insight. We can get a lots of data from the robots. Definitely the safety. Now in a conventional method, there is a chances of accidents and many operator loss of their body parts. So definitely with the robots, we make more safer work conditions now. So robots are needed and quality. Definitely, with the repetitive kind of work, what robot can perform, the human being have some limitations due to the fatigue and body limitations. So definitely, robots are there where you can go with the repetitive consistency and some conditions where hazardous atmosphere is there, such like a welding atmosphere. There is fumes are coming, dust atmosphere. So robots are perform very well in this condition also. So these are the purpose of robotic automation. These are the application areas where you can find in any industry. Robots are doing consistently with the 24 hours of production activity. Just chassis assembly line, SPMs, rotary assembly automations. So these are the area where robots are going to use.
फजिती के काम होते रहते
In logistic conventional method, and AGV is replaced by this advanced robotics.
उसके अंदर
Some machining part also.
मैं देख रही जाऊँ तो
In
मेरे को
machining
बड़ा
areas where multiple operations you have to do some welding operations and machining of any profile, there you can use the robots. Robots give the good quality and ability to perform consistently. So these are the area where we are using a machining process also.
दूर रख
Now the robots are coming in our day-to-day life. The robots are coming in our home also. We are this generation is using this robot also for cleaning purpose also. These are smart robots which take care of your home and do the cleaning operation and cleaning of furnitures, shop floor, house. So these are robot upcoming trend, and this definitely we can everyone have in our home next 3 to 5 years. Now the security system also. Now the all defense industry are developing security robots with the AI, artificial intelligence. These are robots which is used for security and in a defense in border areas, where these are the automated find any intervention of the enemies in our area. So these robots take care of that. So these are the emerging trend. So in future, we are not find our soldier, human soldier in a boundary. This kind of soldier are there who take care of the complete boundary security system. So this is upcoming trend in defense also. Now the medical industry. In medical industry, the robotic surgery is going on. The people are sitting US and they're doing the robotic operations by robot functionality. Doctors and experts sitting in other countries, they can do the operations. Medical industry is now majorly using this robot, surgical robots. One of the mythology we hear all of in Indian mythology that Ravan is there, Ravan come and he haran the Sita and take Pushpak Viman with Sita with her. That's the technology here, how the this happening. But now we decode this technology, we come up with the drones, Pushpak Viman. Same technology is now in this current situation. We decode this technology. That time it is a imaginary thing, but now we decode this technology. With this kind of drones, we can carry the people. In future, I think this can be used for the ambulance also. If any patient, serious patient is there in road traffic condition, we can use this kind of drones which lift the patients and travel to this hospital also. So these are the future transport system in drones. Now emerging trend in robotics that these all robots are artificial intelligent robots. These are the self, they collect the data, analysis it, and take a decision also. The algorithm is designed to such that on getting a feedback, for example, in a machining center also, if any offset is given by a machines, if a error is there, the robot get understand that feedback and it correct itself and do the right operations. So that kind of AI system is inbuilt in this robotic now. Cloud. Nowadays, we are talking about IoTs. All the data are collected by a system and keep it in the server data clouding system. So our data is recorded there. On that data, the system we can collaboratively robot act next further actions. Self-healing robots are self-repaired. Now a new technology is coming in the market. If robots, some malfunctions are there, any damages, it will be self-repairable capability also. They are developing such kind of new development robots, which will be flexible and which will be fiber optics sensors and they can repair itself. So these are the technologies also coming, self-healing robots. So these are the trend in the robots, all the technology and everything. But ultimately, one my personal suggestion is that robot do everything operation in human life, but teaching and caring is difficult for by robots. In these are the limitations for robot, but robot definitely take care of the human part completely. I will share some small video where you can see the how the robot technology and AGVs are working. Sandesh sir, any question in this? If any clarification needed, I can discuss on this also.
Maybe once you are done with the videos on, then we can open up the question answer session.
Right, right. So I will share one more video. Can you see the AGV, sir? Hello? Sandesh sir, can you see the video?
No, no.
No, we can't see. Maybe you need to check what you are sharing from the share.
Can you
Yeah,
see now?
now we can
Yeah,
see.
yeah. Now we can see.
Okay. So this is a logistic area where the people, companies are using this AGV for give the fast delivery of the material. So this upcoming trend, many of the logistic company will use this kind of AGV. It's more efficient, more faster, more smarter. AGVs are there. I am currently working with one company for AGV application. They are so smart, so they can be exactly go the exact location, pick up the rack, and bring the exact point where the delivery has to be given. After delivery, extract the material, it goes again its home position. After discharge, this AGV will go exact charging point location, get self charge, and start for functioning. This is the future of the logistic industry.
याद है वो
By removing the material and by pressing OK button, it will goes to directly the home location. In future, you can see in the logistic area, there is a very few people are working. All work done get by robots, AGV, palletizing systems, everything done by robots. They are so fast and so precise, so you can get right material in right place with right location. The speed of this, you can see the speed also. This is the upcoming trend. Yes, Adit, actually one more video is there.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So these are the technology upcoming in logistic areas where we can be the part of this industry in robotic automation. Yeah, this is a small presentation from me regarding new trend of robotic automation, logistic, healthcare industry, and automation industry.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anand. I'll open the question answer session. If
Yes.
anyone has it to Anand, uh, please go ahead. Anyone has any question? Looks like everyone is in the deep thinking. So, Vedant, to answer your question, please drop me your number so that the membership chair from the ISA will connect you for applying for the membership. Anyone else has any question on the topic? Okay, Gurumit sir,
Yes.
let us go with the word of thanks.
Yeah. Uh, on behalf of ISA Pune section, I'd like to thank Mr. Anand Swami for giving such a concise, to the point seminar on the future of robotics in industry. I also would like to thank the audience, the participants who have taken time out of the busy schedule to attend this webinar. Finally, I would like to thank our team, Sandeep Kulkarni, Program Chair, and others for organizing this seminar. Thank you very much, and we look forward to you remaining connected with ISA. And we again reiterate our commitment to the automation and welcome you to join ISA Pune section. ISA Pune. ISA. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sandeep
I
sir,
hope
Gurmeet sir.
If you have any questions, you can please address them. Otherwise, you can also send us an email at isa.punesection@gmail.com. Thank you.
Thank you,
Vedant will
Sandeep
get
sir
in touch
and
with
Gurmeet
you.
sir, for